how to share your sketchbook file on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save your file or export your file using Sketchbook. So first thing, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Sketchbook application from your Play Store. And once you're inside here, simply create your project or anything like that. And once you have successfully completed your project, to save your project, what you can do is simply click on this top left corner over here, which is notebook icon, and from over here you can simply click on this share or export button, and you can simply select the share button over here and choose as many type of file you want. Like you can save it as JPG or PNG, so simply select any one of them. So let me select any PNG format, and you will get the option to choose it or share it to using different social media. So I will simply select this save to device button by using via Sketchbook. So you can simply rename it and simply save on your device just like this, and you have successfully saved your sketchbook art on your device. So to access it, you have to go to your My Files, and you'll be seeing at the top, as you can see, in a PGF format, just like this, your art will be saved. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.